piano, our bags, and our sleeping bags. Pretty good setup. He was so hungry. I don't have any service.
Me either.
Hope my mom remembers that we said we were camping this weekend. I didn't think about that until we got here.
Yeah.
Now that it's all sunny. He's like getting every last bite. I'm half surprised he didn't dump it. He's eating it so ravenously. Oh. On them?
You need a pop-up slope here.
Basically.
I wonder if these are the hiking sites you hike into.
I don't know, but there's not much to hike.
No, I mean like hiking, like a Chris Trail and camp
Oh, maybe.
here. The hike in, bike in.
Oh, I see what you mean. I don't know.
It's the classic game of skill. Give it all the other way. I'm sure it's only been in this tube for like 30 years. Basic rules for 2 players. 1 color per player. What color do you want to be?
What color options are there? Blue.
I got yellow here.
I'll be red.
Red? What color should I be?
You be red and I'll be yellow.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Object of the game. There are 2 ways to win. Win by getting 5 or more stones in a row, either horizontally, vertically, or diagonally. Win by capturing 5 or more pairs of your opponent's stones. How to play. Place the board in the middle of the playing area. I tried to unroll it or re-roll it the other way. See if it worked. Yeah, it did. A little bit.
Cool.
Noodling.
Using your noodle.
Start play with the board completely clear of stones. The first player chosen by chance. Who's chance? Chance is capitalized. It's a person. It's a person. I'm just kidding, it's not capitalized. Gotcha. The first player begins the game by playing 1 stone on the center point. Thereafter, the players take turns playing their stones 1 at a time on an empty intersection. You wanna go first? You go first. Chance, it's you. Your chance. Okay.
What's the point?
You gotta get 5 in a row. I covered that earlier. You have to get 5 in a row, either horizontally, vertically, or diagonally.
Diagonally.
Yeah, or you have to win by capturing 5 or more pairs of your opponent's stones. The stones are played on intersections of the lines rather than on squares. A move is completed when the stone is released. Once played, a stone cannot be moved again except when removed by a capture. The players take turns adding new stones to the board, building up their positions until one player wins. It doesn't really describe captures.
So then they just disappear?
Yeah.
And you don't replace them with your people?
Nope. Got you. Oh no.
I stopped you from capturing me again. Swear to God.
What?
No, I know what you're gonna do.
What?
I'm gonna put one here to capture all these.
No, I can only capture 2 at a time.
Okay. Why did you laugh?
Because I can only capture 2.
No, you're gonna get me some other sneaky way.
Oh yeah.
No.
Yeah.
Hey, no. Oh, I'm so mad.
You can capture me right now, dude.
I'm doing it. I don't know.
You can capture me 4 different ways. Do you see this?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm actually like really screwed right now.
You're faking me out.
No. You can still get...
I'm gonna keep going because you deserve it.
This is fun.
Don't pretend like you're in a pickle.
Oh, yeah, I'm in a pickle. What? I'm in a pickle. Yeah, good job.
I have a hard time understanding the deal with the strategy. I feel like it's either attack, 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 or protect, protect, protect.
I mean, you nailed it, right?
There's no in between. All I'm thinking is win, 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 no matter what.
Your face.
What?
You're like, oh my god, I did it. Where did you play? You played over there?
Mm-hmm. I don't know why.
This is freaking me out.
You're playing with pure chaos right now, friend. That'd be my stripper name.
Oh, you're sneaking up on me.
No, I'm not.
Oh, you're sneaking.
You're playing with chaos.
You're sneaking.
Get these things out of here.
Good job.
How many did you win?
2.
Hey,
What?
I want to bask in this a little bit longer.
Here, I'll just leave your pieces. You won right there.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
No, your win is still there, dude.
Am I good?
You want to go back up to the show?
Yeah. She needs one of those cots.
Why are you doing this? Oh, your face too, dude. Oh my god. It's funny how far our fire pit is in the ground when other people are so far up.
Oh, like at Fort Stevens is tall?
Oh, like other people.
Ours is conservative fire.
Yeah.
Ooh, now she's getting twisted.
Oh, but I hope he knows to stay back from the fire. I'm worried that only the 50 year old.
I don't think so, because the wood's drying.
This is why I'd be a trailer for one entire guy.
People for cows, but not ever sunny.
Yeah. Yeah, we did good. I'm glad we found this place. I'm glad we just did it too.
Mm-hmm. Instead of being another thing that we're like, we should do this. But then we never do.
You want your hair clipper?
It wasn't hot.
Is that hot?
No.
I feel like this is a really nice day right here.
Mm-hmm.
Like walking
Like
through
surprisingly nice.
Yeah. It'd be cool to be right against the water, but
It'd be cold.
yeah, with the wind.
Yeah, because all these trees are buffering us.
I like
Crazy.
all our little trees, our baby trees.
They'll grow up to be big and strong. It's really nice that we have like the availability to like do these things now. I feel like when we were working at like our part-time places, like we never did anything.
No, because our work schedules.
Wouldn't let us.
Is it good?
Not as warm as I would like it to be. Excuse me.
Adventure park.
Come on, bud. You think that's enough?
Cool. Thanks. Where's that dog? Come there. Hi. Hi, guys. Are you ready for a hike today?
Oh, we got fire on the top.
Uh-oh. I feel like,
We're probably good.
yeah. You want the hot pads?
I think I'm good.
You sure? Yeah, maybe just leave it there.
I want to see if it's good.
Don't wash my fingers, please.
Here, just do this and then come back.
What's up? Glad we brought the plates.
Mm-hmm. Good that we're not using up a bunch of plastic too.
Yeah. Holy smokes, look at that guy. Whoa.
Bacon's good?
Mm-hmm. You want this one since it's not so burnt? Okay. Oh, wow.
Good?
Mm-hmm.
Is it warm?
Mm-hmm. Excuse me. Oh.
Huh.
That's alright.
Oh, hood view. Maybe on the way back it'll be clearer.
Maybe. That's cool. Is Timothy like that?
I don't know. Something.
Good job, Bruce. Yeah.
Alright. Should we head back?
Yeah. Gotta hold up the tent. And that's it.